Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. You already know what it is. Your man Boss Gang VIP back with the weekly money watch. Man, last week was absolutely amazing. If you aren't telling your friends about my channel and these watch lists and everything we do, are those really your friends? Friends let friends know about 2UP investing. Great week last week. We're looking forward to having another wonderful week this week. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get you this work as usual. Not gonna take up too much of your time. I know why you're here. All right, here we go. Here we go. Let's go ahead and start out like we always do. Quick update on the Roth portfolio. Everything is going absolutely fantastic according to plan. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to invest the right way, or anybody who needs some ideas or anything like that, make sure to send them over to the channel. We started this portfolio investing $100 per month, and we're going to keep this going from $100 to $1 million. That is the goal. I see no reason why we won't be able to accomplish that. And then I'll give updates very soon about everything and all the moves that I'm making in this portfolio. It is 100% transparent. You can see every move from day one. Economics calendar for the week. Monday, October 20th, U.S. leading economic indicators. Tuesday, Fed Governor Christopher Waller, opening remarks. Wednesday, October 22nd, Fed Governor Michael Barr speaks. Thursday, October 23rd, initial jobless claims, existing home sales, some more Fed speak. Friday, October 24th, Consumer Price Index, so CPI year over year, core CPI, S&P Flash Services, consumer sentiment, new home sales. There's an event this week. I should have brought it up, but it is the Quantum Meets AI 2025. There's going to be a lot of companies there. Let me go ahead. Matter of fact, since I'm doing this live, let me do this real quick. Let's see. All right, here we go. All right, so here we go. Uncovering the wave of quantum plus AI, October 19th through 21st. So it just started. It's going all through next week. Uncovering the coming wave of quantum AI, 3 days, 70 speakers, daily mentoring sessions, diamond sponsors, COSQ, semiconductors. We've talked about the stock before, SEALs, semiconductors plus quantum, subsidiary of WiseKey, ticker symbol WKEY, LAES, SEALs, ticker symbol LAES. And presenting sponsor Cantor, CEO of SEALs, is giving the opening remarks to all of the quantum companies, including Rigetti, RGTI, and others. So I'm looking forward to see how things go with that event this week. And SEALs is actually releasing a special quantum chip, and I want to see how that goes with that. So definitely going to be on the lookout for that event this week. Now, as far as the almanac goes for this week, crash October 19th, 1987, Dow was down 22.6% in one day. That was interesting to see how the market responds this week. We are only a few percent off the high. The market only has moved down on tariff comments by President Trump. So, they said they were going to put 100% tariffs on China, and then they said they're going to work together. So I don't know. We got to see how that goes. Nevertheless, we're going to trade price action. Monday, mixed. Overall, Tuesday, mixed. Overall, Wednesday, historically bearish. Late October, it's time to buy depressed stocks, especially tech stocks and small caps. Do what you will with that info. Wednesday, historically bearish. SPY is only green 38.1% of the time. NASDAQ 33.3% of the time. And the Dow is only green 28.6% of the time. So we trade price action. Just because something has happened in an indice has nothing to do with individual stocks, right? So we look for individual stocks, but if we have some things that happen on those days, don't be surprised. Nothing is coincidence, but not that something will happen, but we'll just have to see. Thursday is historically bullish. What does that mean? The market is bullish over 60% of the time. NASDAQ 71.4% of the time. S&P 71.4% of the time, and the Dow 57.1% of the time. Friday, historically bullish as well. Dow 57.1% of the time, S&P 66.7% of the time, and NASDAQ 61.2% of the time. Let's go ahead and get into some of the setups I'm going to be looking at this week. First setup, Lunar corporate data earnings, November 13th. Lunar super strong. You can see on the quarters, 2 up on a quarter, 2 up on a month. Went outside week. Inside day to finish last week. So, let's see. Let me make sure we get this right. Make sure I get my notes right. Make sure I got my notes. Okay, just got a 4-hour entry on this one. All right, so let's check it out. There we go. It's gonna be a 212 4-hour above $12.43, and yeah, this takes off. Yeah, so we'll just see how that goes. Yep. Okay. So yeah, we'll see how that goes there on Lunar. How about this WULF? Ticker symbol WULF. 2 up quarter, 2 up on a month. Super strong. We just want to take advantage of this discount here. Let's go to the day chart. Nice hammer day entry there. Other side of that day brought information up in the sky, but let's just focus on this first target. Just over 16.5, first target. Just below 17, 16 3/4, something like that. What's the entry on this one, Wolf? 2 day. Yeah, 2 day above $13.98. And yeah, so a little corrective activity. Yeah, looking pretty good there. Any pullbacks? 13.20. I don't know if it'll pull back, but yeah, 13.98 is the entry on that one. Pretty clean, right? Pretty simple. Last corporate data, earnings, November 10th. And last one we're going to look at, RIG, ticker symbol RIG. Inside quarter. You can see what it looks like on a month, inside month. Inside week, we got the hammer day here. So pretty clean there, 2 day above $3.26 first stop. About 375. Let me zoom out. Kind of see where we are. Let me zoom out some more. You can kind of see where we are in the price section. If we push back up to this broadening formation like it's done multiple times, we're looking at over $9, so maybe we can, I don't know, maybe the stock will triple pretty soon. A few months, I don't know. We'll just have to see how things go. We trade, we buy stocks, we speculate, right? So we see how things have been going. Let's see if we can keep that momentum going, finding some of the strongest stocks and opportunities in the market. Hopefully these watch lists are helping you guys out. Mark up your charts, go to the options chain, see if it's something that might interest you. Try to use ChatGPT, find all the latest news, all that good stuff. Do all your due diligence and see what opportunities may present themselves to take advantage of, not only in the short term, but in the long term as well. So appreciate everybody. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If there's anything you'd like to see, please let me know. If you have questions, put those down in the comments below. Just trying to help as many people as possible. With that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week. I hope you all are as well. It's your man, BossGangVIP, with the weekly Money Watch. I'm out, man. Peace.